All right, number 10, water pours into the glass slowly and at a constant rate. Which of the following graph best illustrates the height of the water level in the glass as it fills? Okay, so for number 10, yeah, so a very common wrong answer that was chosen for number 10 is um, letter A. Okay, a lot of people say it's letter A because we see the key phrase here, right? It's a constant rate, right? So if filling the water as a constant rate, then the height of water level should raise as a constant rate, right? So it will be a straight line on the graph. As time increases, the water level increase like a straight line. Well, but A is actually not the answer. Okay, so why is that? Okay, because if you look at the shape of the cup, okay, this is actually like a trick question, right? See how the cup is not uniform, right? So throughout the top and the bottom. Okay, so we don't have a right cylinder like this. Okay, so you see the cup here is wider on the top and it's narrower on the bottom, right? So even though we pour in water at a constant rate, but the height of the water level won't increase at a constant rate because it's wider on the top, right? So it will rise, the water level will rise faster on the bottom and then will become slower on top because it's wider, right? It's gonna hold more water as we go to the top. So even though we're adding water at a constant rate, the actual water level will tend to slow down as we go towards the top. Okay, so it rises faster initially, and then it will slow down as we go to the top because, again, the cup is wider on the top, right? Okay, so it hold more water, so water level rises a little bit slower. So it's faster initially and then slows down. So which graph matches that? Should be letter C then. Okay, so it starts initially faster, and then later on it slows down as we go towards the end. Okay, so for this one, the correct answer should be letter C. Okay, so it's not letter D because we're adding water, the other water level won't stay the same. And then it's not B because B is the opposite, right? Slower initially and faster later. That's not true. Okay, so for number 10, our best answer is letter C.